No, Abby's just flashing.
Mine's like a underwater. Like, see? Look at there.
Yeah, Abby's flashing.
Okay.
I'm not flashing though, right?
No, you have it red.
Weirdos.
Oh, oh, ooh.
Living in the future. Imagination.
It's for the one.
Okay. Yeah, that's gonna work. Can I make a few just minor openings? And I'm gonna change some stuff on the sound back there. Not the only dirt. Nate, instead of going down to the ground, can you just like grab the door frame and just kind of hang? Sure. Okay. It just takes you further into the ground, and it's just a lot of motion. So once it goes off there, just kind of breathe, and just kind of grab it, and just kind of hang there. How about that? I had something else in the middle. Yes. Yeah, you can. My keys just worn out. Oh, hey, when you come down to the ground here, and I know this is like a placeholder right now. Is somebody missing there? Can somebody move into that? Jack, move down towards Jack. Okay, thank you. Like, yeah, if you just go like there. Yeah, there we go. Alright, when you, after you put all your stuff down, can it just feel a little more laborious? Like right now, sometimes you put our stuff down, we're like, and I'm sitting. Yay. Pockets on the floor, crisscross applesauce. Let's do this. Marshmallows in your mouth. I walk by a lot of kindergarten classes. What's this one?
White Coyote.
White Coyote.
Damn, I was not.